In previous video, we have studied about the meaning of the constitution. In this video, we shall study about the important terms of the topic. First, preamble. It signifies the value and philosophy of the constitution. As a constitution always starts with preamble. It serves the purpose of an introduction to the constitution and explains its aim and objectives. Each and every constitution starting from preamble. Preamble means introduction. It explains the aim and objectives of the constitution, and it also signifies the value and philosophy of the constitution. Second, constitution, we have already studied it in the meaning of constitution. Third, drafting committee. Drafting committee means collection of people those are responsible for writing any legal document. A committee set up to draft the constitution. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chairperson of the drafting committee. It means in 1946, when was the constitution started, there a constituent, a committee set up to draft the constitution headed by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Means he was the chairperson of the drafting committee. Republic. Fourth है republic. A country where head of the state is elected and not hereditary. Republic means it is a country where the head of the state means head of the country not appointed due to hereditary system, but he appointed after election. Fifth, amendment. Amendment means rectification, संशोधन. This is a term used to modify or alter some provisions, including the provisions of constitution. अमेंडमेंट एक ऐसा टर्म है जिसके द्वारा संविधान में निहित प्रोविजंस को संशोधित किया जा सकता है, या उसमें कुछ और जोड़ा जा सकता है, या आज अगर उसकी जरूरत नहीं है तो उसको हटाया भी जा सकता है. The procedure for amending various provisions of the Constitution has been given in the Article 368 of the Constitution. The activity of amendment is given in our Constitution, Article number 368. Using this article of the Constitution, our legislature can modify or alter some provisions, including the various including the provisions of Constitution. Secularism. Secular means धर्मनिरपेक्ष. Secular means धर्मनिरपेक्षता. It signifies freedom to practice any religion of one's choice. The state does not have any religion of its own. Rather, it protects citizens' right to preach, practice, and profess any religion. Secularism explains that any person is free to follow any religion according his choice. There is no any foundation by the Constitution of India, and there is no declaration of any state religion by our Constitution. In this way, it protects citizens' right to preach, practice, and profess any religion. 7th, universal adult suffrage. We have studied about this in previous chapter. Also, it refers to the right to vote for all the citizens of the country without any discrimination on the basis of caste, color, or creed. It based on the principle of one person, one vote. In universal adult suffrage, according our Constitution, each and every citizen of the country who has completed their age 18 years or above has right to vote for the representatives, and there is no any discrimination about the voting on the basis of caste, color, creed, economic status, region, education. It is based on the principle of one person, one vote. It means each and the value of each and every person is one. Next, treason. Rajdroh. Treason means Rajdroh. The offense of attempting to overthrow the government of the state to which the offender owes allegiance. देशद्रोह का मतलब होता है कि वर्तमान सरकार को पदच्युत यानी वर्तमान सरकार को पूरी तरह से हटाने का प्रयास करने का जो अपराध किया जाता है अपराधी के द्वारा, उसे ट्रेसन कहते हैं, देश राजद्रोह कहते हैं। 9th, डेमोक्रेसी. We have also studied it in a previous chapter. Democracy refers to a form of government in which people elect their representatives to rule over them. The government works for the welfare of the people and can be changed by them in case it fails to satisfy their aspiration. In democratic government, the government in democratic country, the government elected by the people. It means people elected their representatives to rule over them. And it is the responsibility and duty of the government to fulfill the desire, the needs and the aspiration of the people. If government fails to satisfy their aspiration, then people can change the present government in the next election. 10th, apartheid means division on the color basis. Division on the color basis in the society. Apartheid is a system of racial discrimination. जातीय विभेद, racial discrimination means जातीय विभेद between the white and blacks. It was used in Africa. This system is racial discrimination between the whites and the blacks. Each group had to live separately, study in separate schools. Non-whites had no voting rights. In South Africa, black discriminated by the whites due to the government of whites. In South Africa, at the time of colonial rule, whites and black both lived separately. Their students, their children also study in separate schools, and non-whites had no right for voting, means they had no participation in the government at the time of colonial rule in South Africa. In this way, we have studied the meaning of constitution and important terms. Okay, thank you.